Hi everyone! Happy Sunday sa inyo. So, today this is Sunday, January 14, 5:19 p.m. So, kamusta kayo guys? Happy weekend. So, kanina lang meron akong upload sa channel. So, I hope napanood nyo na yon. Okay, so this is yung recent upload ko is about a twin flame or a soulmate connection. So, I know hindi yung po pwedeng yung iba sa inyo is hindi mag-resonate dun sa message kasi meron akong nakuhang iilang specific energy and situation lang doon sa reading kanina na in-upload ko. Pero right now, try nating tingnan. Upload tayo ulit ng another 2 videos, okay, sa channel na sa tingin ko is sana mag-resonate sa situation ng ilan sa inyo. Okay, so kamusta kayo guys? I hope okay lang kayo. I hope kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan natin or ninyo sa buhay, okay, is masolusyonan. Okay, yung mga dumaraan sa matinding pagsubok ngayon sa buhay, kapit lang kayo kasi masusolusyonan din yan dahil may dahilan naman ng lahat kung bakit natin yan nararanasan. Okay, so for today, gawa tayo ulit ng general reading. Okay, para sa aking mga viewers. So, ilalapag ko kung ano yung makikita kong energy, ano yung makikita kong senaryo. Kuha tayo ng advice. Ano yung advice doon sa situation na yon. Okay. So, this is a general love reading for my viewers. Subukan ko guys mag-upload this weekdays ng per zodiac. Halimbawa, by Monday or bukas, mag-upload ako ng earth sign and water sign. And then sa Tuesday, mag-upload ako ng air sign and fire sign. Ganun ha. Pero all sign yon. Okay. Paghihiwalayin ko lang ng signs. Halimbawa, magkakasama ang air, magkakasama ang water, magkakasama ang earth. Okay? So, abangan ninyo yun. So, tingnan na natin. Start na tayo. I already done, say, prayer para sa reading natin ngayon. Guidance from our angels, from the divine, from God. Okay? From our Lord. So, tingnan natin, ano yung mapipick up nating energy? Collective general reading about love. I'm using Modern Witch Tarot card right now. Okay, then clarification and oracle cards para sa inyo. Collective general love reading para sa aking mga viewers. Ano yung mapipick up natin na situation? This is about love, ha? Love. Okay. For some of you, po pwedeng you are thinking someone, your partner, your husband, Four of Wands, you can be an fire sign, thinking about a marriage, a relationship, or specific person. Meron ako kasing nakuha, first card na nakita ko. Okay, so start na tayo. For my viewers, give me cards for my viewers. Whatever energy yung ma-pick up. Okay. O, di ba? Ten of Cups. Emotional fulfillment, a happy marriage, a happy relationship, a family life, buhay mag-asawa. Okay. Pamilya, it could be about family. Okay. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Po pwedeng you are thinking a husband or a wife. The Chariot card. Travel. Po pwedeng malayo ka dun sa person. Judgment. Kasi the chariot signifies, chariot card signifies a travel, okay? One of the meaning is travel. So, it could be malayo ka dun sa person na iniisip mo ngayon right now, okay? Or this person is malayo sa'yo, itong asawa mo, okay? Or siguro you are calling to go to someone, a family, okay? A husband, a partner, a romantic partner could be. Queen of Pentacles. So, po pwedeng this is a mother figure, um, a wife. If you are, ikaw ang husband, okay, maybe you want to go to your wife, okay, you are called to go to your wife, you are pushed to go to your wife, o pwedeng, this could be a mother, earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, okay, a calling, okay, siguro nararamdaman mo na parang kailangan mong umuwi, kailangan mong i-visit yung wife mo, kailangan mong i-visit yung mother mo, okay, kasi siguro na may nararamdaman kang hindi okay, or may nararamdaman ka na something, could be, okay, so take what's resonate, guys. Take what's resonate, guys. So, tingnan pa natin. The Star. The Star card could be Aquarius wishing na makasama. Okay? Siguro it could be ikaw ay masculine and malayo ka sa asawa mo, or a feminine figure. It could be a mother, asawa. You are called or nararamdaman mo, or you are wishing na sana makasama mo siya. Okay, meron akong nakukuhang energy na ganun. Or, it could be masculine ka man or feminine ka man, you are called to go to your mother, nanay, or any family member na nagre-represent has a female, okay, wishing na makasama mo tong person na to. Kung hindi kayo magkasama nito ha, physically. Then, ano pa ba? Tingnan natin. Aquarius, the Star, wishing on a star, hoping na magkasama kayo nitong Queen of Pentacles na to. Eight of Cups. Ano sabi ko? O pwedeng yung iba sa inyo is malayo. Malayo dito sa person na to. Um, po pwede sigurong lumayo ka dito. Or po pwedeng lumayo ka sa family mo. Ito guys take what's resonate. It could be umalis ka ng bahay ninyo, lumayo ka sa inyo, hindi kayo magkasama nitong Queen of Pentacles nito. Okay. Eight of Cups is parang traveling, umalis, okay. Uh, Go somewhere, parang ganon. Walking away. For the good. It could be Kasi yun nakukuha kong energy. Tingnan pa natin. Mamaya iano natin. Uy. The Hermit card. Virgo. Virgo card. Po pwedeng meron ako nakikita dito na umalis ka, lumayo ka muna to reflect, to have a realization or to find yourself. Meron akong nakukuhang ganun. It could be this Queen of Pentacles. If this is your mother, if this is your wife, if you are the masculine, po pwedeng may sakit. Meron akong nakita ditong po pwedeng may sakit to. Kaya gusto mong umuwi, okay? Or gusto mong mag-travel towards this person. Gusto mong makita, okay? The Sun. Mamaya ka-clarify natin yun, for additional information. Maybe if this is your wife, okay. If this is your wife, you want to travel to go to this person because you realize na masaya ka sa kanya. Okay. Happy ka kapag kasama mo siya. Leo. Leo energy. Oh, King of Wands and Queen of Pentacles, okay? So, meron na ditong babae sa kalalaki na nakikita ko. So, po pwedeng the female here is the Queen of Pentacles while the masculine here is the King of Wands. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Queen of Pentacles, very nurturing kind of, diba? The Lover's card. The Lover's card. It could be, po pwedeng, if you're a masculine here, po pwedeng meron kang anak, okay? Po pwedeng you're a single father, okay? And you're dealing with the Queen of Pentacles Earth sign. This is a soulmate, okay, a partner. You're in relationship with this person or this is your love interest, okay. Pero kasi meron akong nakita dito na this is a divine guided relationship, okay. So, o pwedeng, okay. Meron ako nakikita dito, it could be yung babae is malayo doon sa guy or yung guy is um, nagreflekto, nag-isip-isip siguro. Lumayo tong person na to, itong masculine na to, muna, okay, to reflect, hanapin yung sarili niya, ano ba yung makakapagpasaya sa kanya, lumayo muna to kasi para tingnan niya yung totoong nararamdaman niya para doon sa person. Okay? Nagpakalayo-layo muna to kasi gusto niyang alamin sa sarili niya kung ano ba yung totoong nararamdaman niya doon sa babae. So, take what's resonate, whether ikaw yung masculine or ikaw yung feminine, okay? Itong guy na nakikita ko dito sa reading natin, um, nag-reflect sa sarili niya. Nag-isip muna ng gusto ba niya talagang pumunta towards this feminine? Mahal ba niya talaga tong person na to? Okay. Kasi the lovers with the star, hoping, okay, hoping na same ng nararamdaman, okay. Hoping na parehas ng emotion sa isa't isa, okay. Meron kasi ako nakukuhang ganon. If you are the masculine here, and nagre-reflect, you are asking, okay, you are wishing on a partner or a specific lover, okay, you are called to go to a specific person, okay? Or kung meron ka mang iwini-wish na specific person right now, na love interest mo, and gusto mo, this person is ipapadala sa'yo or makikilala mo kung hindi mo pa siya nami-meet. Pero kung meron ka ng specific person na nasa isip right now, this is your feminine, kung ikaw ang masculine. Kasi this is a divine guided relationship. Okay, this is an earth sign, yung feminine natin dito. Sabi ko nga kanina. Or if you are wishing, kung ikaw naman ng feminine and you are wishing, okay, on a specific masculine, you are eyeing on this person, which is lumayo or magkalayo kayo ngayon nito, okay, or lumayo sa'yo. This person is just reflecting. Nag-walk away muna to, umalis muna, nagkaroon ng silent treatment between the two of you. Kasi this person is nagre-reflect or inaalam niya talaga yung totoong emotions niya. Kung talaga bang gusto ba niya talaga tong feminine na to, kung talaga bang mahal niya tong feminine na to. Pero kasi meron ako nakikita dito na this King of Wands, see a Ten of Cups with this specific person, or kung ikaw man yung feminine dito, nakikita niya na you are a wife material, okay? You are The ideal girl, okay, a wife material, ideal wife, okay, maalaga, magaling sa finances, okay, financially stable, okay, um, magaling sa lahat, magaling um, sa bahay, could be magaling kang magluto. Ikaw yung ano, ikaw yung literal na mother kung yung mga qualities mo na meron ka. Pwedeng maalaga ka. Okay? Pwedeng meron kang makuha dito na message or ma-receive na message from this person. Okay? Meron kasi ako nakitang Ace of Swords. Okay? From the bottom. Okay. So, this person maybe message you and sabihin niya sa'yo kung ano yung dahilan, bakit sinilent treatment ka muna niya. Okay. Partner kasi to eh. Queen of Pentacles and King of Wands. Queen and King. Okay. Though different sila ng ano, different ng signs, hindi parehong Queen of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. Kasi, maybe the other person is a fire sign nga and more, alam mo yun, confident, mas fiery siya, mas persuasive siya na kind of a person. Okay? Mas, mas spirited siya. Okay? Mas ano siya, mas, alam mo yung mas ano siya, fiery ang personality versus dito sa person na earth sign which is more on finances naman and more on nurturing side naman siya. Okay, a mother. Ito yung tipo ng personality na kung ano man yung hawakan niya, nag-grow. Okay, Queen of Pentacles. Magaling sa finances, sa businesswoman, okay, a independent person. Mm-hmm. Pwedeng meron din ako nakikita dito na it could be a wife and a husband situation. Okay, na where magkalayo kayo or hindi kayo magkasama right now nung masculine mo or nung husband mo, okay, sa nakikita ko. And someone here is wishing, okay, na na magkasama kayo. Or if not yet na hindi pa kayo magpartner nitong person na to, okay, pair kasi to guys eh, kung hindi pa kayo magpartner nito, this person is wishing, okay, or going, message you, calling, have a judgment call to go towards you kasi this person, ikaw ang nakikita niya na magiging asawa niya. Ikaw ang gusto niyang maging partner, ikaw ang gusto niyang mapangasawa if you are the feminine, if this is the masculine. So, vice versa guys ha, take what's resonate. Okay, so tingnan pa natin message of love. So, take what's resonate, guys, ha? So, ayan yung nakikita ko. Hoping, wishing on a person na makasama. Tingnan natin yung true emotion nitong person na to. Mamaya, gamitin natin ulit yung ating true emotion card. Kung hindi mo pa to guys nakakasama ha, at hindi mo pa to partner, this person wants to have a family sa'yo, okay? Itong fire sign na to, okay? Yung person dito, is masaya siya sa'yo. If you are the feminine, itong masculine na to is happy sa'yo. Lumayo man to or feeling mo parang ginost ka nito or lumayo to, nag-hermit mode kasi to guys eh. Nag-hermit mode siya if pupunta ba siya sa'yo. Nag-iisip kasi to. Pwedeng lumayo muna to. Meron judgment call dito kasi yung isa, masaya siya eh. Masaya yung masculine dito dun sa feminine. Nagkaroon ng judgment. Self-love. I am trying to heal. If this is a person na lumayo, okay, doon sa may feminine, if kung ka-live-in mo to, partner mo to, tapos nag-walk away to, okay, iniwanan ka nito, this person is nag-hermit mode lang muna, nag-reflect, nagpakalayo-layo muna, okay. Nag-iisip kasi to eh, kung tama ba na, alam mo yon, tama ba na maging, ipagpatuloy nyo pa yung relationship ninyo. Pero ikaw kasi ikaw yung 10 of cups niya, guys. Kung ikaw ang feminine ha, ikaw ang ikaw ang 10 of cups niya. Siguro, our feminine here is nagsi-self-love muna ngayon if you are the feminine at wala kayong communication nitong masculine na to, you are in a self-love journey ngayon, okay, and healing, okay? Kasi to eh, kung parang nagkaroon kayo ng disconnection nitong person na to, nag-hermit mood to, pwedeng silent treatment kanya, sorry guys reunion. Ano sabi ko, di ba? We will always come back to each other. So you will soon have a message with this person, a chariot, travel. This person, siguro naisip niya, nagkaroon to ng judgment call na sa'yo siya masaya. Okay, masaya siya sa'yo, ikaw nakapagpasaya sa kanya. It could be po, pwedeng meron kayong anak nito, you are already a mother if you are the feminine. Okay, nanay ka nung anak nito. Okay, this person is having a judgment call na pumunta sa'yo. Kasi, na-realize niya na ikaw yung wish fulfillment niya. Ikaw yung 10 of cups niya. Sa'yo siya masaya. Ikaw ang mahal niya. Okay? So, soon, you will have a reunion with this person. Okay? Huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. Okay? If you are doing self-love right now, magandang desisyon yun na ginagawa mo. Okay? Na sa sarili mo, you are fulfilled. Okay? At kung hindi pa man pumupunta sa'yo or bumabalik tong person na to, huwag kang mag-alala kasi meron ng judgment call dito. Judgment is a major arcana. Okay? And the Lover's card. Reminiscing. I miss our inside jokes. This person confirming that he, okay, if you are the feminine, he miss you. If you are the masculine, again, this is the confirmation that this feminine miss you. Pero meron ako nakukuha dito, nagsiself-love ang ating mga female, okay? Soon, you will have a message and you will reunite with this person. Okay? Para sa inyo na naghihintay. Kasi this person is namimiss ka. Okay? Understanding. I see your side of the story. Maybe, meron kayo ditong hindi pagkakaunawaan, pero alam nyo naman sa isa't isa na 10 of cups ninyo and same naman kayo ng nararamdaman. Okay? Alam nyo yon, pareha sa sarili ninyo. Na kayo pa din. Kahit na magkahiwalay kayo or hindi magkasama. Commitment. I want to be a part of I want you to be a part of my future. Anong sabi ko, guys? Ikaw yung Ten of Cups niya, ikaw yung the Sun niya, at ikaw yung the Lovers na kapareha niya. Alam niyang ikaw ang mahal niya, ikaw ang happiness niya, ikaw yung gusto niyang makasama at maging family kayo parehas. Okay? Ikaw ang gusto niyang maging asawa. You are a wife material para dito sa person na to. Okay? This person will soon commit to you. Maybe a marriage. Okay? Gusto ka nitong pakasalan. Gusto nitong magkaanak sa'yo. Okay? Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. True emotion card. So, pwedeng meron kayong misunderstanding nitong person na to. Kaya, lumayo muna tong person na to. Kung sino man yung lumayo dito sa connection na to. Nagpakalayo-layo muna, nag-go in hermit mode, nag-silent mode. Okay. Pero, yung nakita ko, yung ating mga feminine dito is independent. Okay, independent kind of a woman. Yes. Independent to. So, tingnan natin ah. Diba? Left you hanging. No closure. No closure. No, I'm struggling to talk, guys. O pwedeng kapag kinontakan nitong person na to, siguro, ano to, mabubulol-bulol. I left you hanging. No closure, no contact, left on red. Anong sabi ko? Iniwanan ka nito, nag-walk away to, 8 of Cups. Iniwanan ka nito, lumayo mo na to kasi nag-hermit mode tong person na to. Itong masculine na to. Ha? O pwedeng vice versa yun, guys. Kung ikaw ang feminine, you are calling, o kaya parang gustong-gusto mong pumunta dito sa person na to. O pwedeng ganun, guys, Kung ikaw yung, walang masama doon. Kung feminine ka, tas parang gusto mo siyang makita, gustong-gusto mo siyang makita. Oo. Gusto mo siyang makita, lumayo tong person na to eh. Umalis to, iniwanan ka nitong hanging, wala kayong closure nito. Okay, pero there is a misunderstanding dito and meron ako nakitang commitment dito na soon. Kasi kahit anong gawin ninyo, kung para kayo sa isa't isa, para kayo sa isa't isa. Guys, meron judgment card dito. Sabi ko kanina, judgment card is a major arcana. Okay. I love this. Married. Commitment. Soon. Soon, yung mga single nating feminine dyan, hindi ka na magiging single kasi magkakaroon na kayo ng title. Hindi na kayo mag-boyfriend na lang. Okay? Married. There is a marriage here. This person wants to commit. Okay? Karmic ties. Uy. Maybe this person Nag-hermit mode to kasi if this person is dealing with someone else or some karmic ties, ha? Inayos niya siguro muna yon and na-realize niya na ikaw talaga yung mahal niya. Ikaw yung nasa puso niya. Ikaw yung gusto niyang makasama, sa'yo niya gusto mag-commit. Naintindihan niya na by doing hermit mode. Kung ano yung dahilan ba't hindi kayo nagkaintindihan dito. Natakot siguro to sa connection. Fuck up over you. Huh? Siguro this person na-realize na gosh, siya pala yung yung person ko. 'Di ba? Siya pala yung siya pala yung para sa akin. Siguro yung feminine natin dito feel na karamdam ng rejection. Kasi merong nag-walk away dito, it could be the masculine yung lumayo dito. Oh. Or the feminine, vice versa. Yun guys ha, so take what's resonate. Meron ditong nakaramdam na nireject siya. Tingnan mo oh. Off and on, hot and cold, detached, ghosted. Itong masculine natin is nag-walk away, nag-silent mode to. Kaya yung feminine natin dito, feeling niya rejected siya emotionally. Iniwan siya on red. Shocking news! Soon, you will have a shocking news coming. Kung ginost ka nitong person na to at biglang hindi may message, soon you will have a shocking news. And yon? Bottom of the deck kanina is Ace of Swords, a message, okay? Shocking news that this person na nanggo sa'yo or iniisip mo na lumayo sa'yo, okay, na iniwan ka, okay, wants to marry you. Wants to commit to you. Okay? Wants a commitment. Okay? Missing you. Yes? Ito yung person na wala kayong closure nito. No contact kayo nito. Sabi ko niya, di ba, no contact. Hindi nag-uusap kasi nasa hermit. Nasa Nasa hermit. Nag-hermit mood to. You feel rejected in this person. Siguro inayos niya yung mga dapat niyang ayusin muna, kaya nagpakalayo-layo. Okay? Inayos niya muna kung ano yung mga kailangan niyang ayusin. Pero if you're doing self-love na, this is good na nagsi-self-love ka muna ngayon. Kasi para pagka nag-travel tong person na to papunta sa'yo, is hindi mahirap na i-forgive tong person na to. Okay? So, kuha lang tayo ng ng love message. Okay, so Lovers Oracle, tingnan natin, love message. Love message, itong person na to para sa ating feminine. Okay, vice versa. Yung sa mga nagko-comment guys na, ay baliktad naman baliktad ako yung ganito baliktad guys. Vice versa po ang reading ha. Vice versa ang reading. Okay, so kuha tayo ng message. Yun lang yung kunin nyo lang yung mag-resonate sa inyo. Yun lang yung parang pinaka-situation or pinaka-energy na nakapaloob sa reading. Okay. Messages of love of this person para sa ating feminine or vice versa. I wish to be like you. Uy, siguro kung napaka-independent mo na person, magaling. If you're the feminine and po pwedeng financially stable ka tapos itong person na to is hindi, this person wishes to be like you. Please do what is best for your heart. Okay. My life is a mess right now. Anong sabi ko kanina? Maybe this masculine is fixing any karmic ties, okay, na meron siya. Siguro kaya to nag-walk away, nag-silent mode kasi nga mo na siya, marami siyang kailangan ayusin sa buhay niya. Siguro ikaw, if you are the feminine, you are financially stable, walang problema financially, wala kang problema sa trabaho or anything. Siguro siya meron pang mga hindi naaayos. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. I long for your kiss. This person, this masculine, okay, missing yung feminine. Longing for kiss, feeling lonely. Oh, feeling lonely. Life without you is hopeless. Life without you is hopeless, dark and depressing. I miss your life. I miss your life. Uy, this person is sobrang namimiss yung ating feminine na sobrang nurturing, sobrang maalaga. Huh? You are so different from everyone around me. Uy. This masculine realized that our feminine here is very different dun sa mga nakilala niya na meron siyang karmic ties. Okay? Kaya nga ito is gusto kanyang maging asawa, gusto niyang mag-commit sa'yo, gusto niyang part ng buhay mo. Okay? Kaya may married card kanina. Okay? Nagkaroon ng judgment, nagkaroon ng calling. I don't want to be alone. Oh, this person realizes na hindi siya masaya nang hindi ka, alam mo yon, hindi siya masaya nang hindi ikaw ang magiging partner niya, hindi siya masaya na hindi ikaw ang magiging wife niya. Okay, na-realize niya na ikaw talaga ang mahal niya. Okay. Will you leave me like the others? Oh, maybe this person merong abandonment issue. Meron akong nakukuha. While yung ating mga feminine dito, pwede vice versa, is very independent, okay? Okay, so pwede, vice versa, pwede yung ating feminine naman dito yung yung parang may abandonment issue, tapos feeling rejected siya nung umalis yung guy, okay? So, take what's resonate, guys. Vice versa yon. Meron pang inaayos tong person na to. If yung mga nanonood sa akin, kung kayo ang feminine na, kayo ang babae, okay, kaya Tagalog ko na guys, kung kayo ang babae, soon you will receive a message, okay? May maririnig kang balita, may malalaman ka about this masculine or this specific masculine na ang mga clue natin na sinabi ko kanina, ito yung ng ghost sa'yo, yung nileft ka hanging. Ito yung hindi nakipag-communicate sa'yo ng biglaan. Ito yung naging hermit mode ng biglaan. Yung umalis, nag-walk away sa connection ninyo. Yung biglang wala ka ng balita. Okay? Siya yon, yung person na nakukuha natin sa reading. Kung meron ka mang merong person sa buhay mo na umalis, nagpakalayo-layo, wala kang balita, biglang nawala, ito yung person na yon. Okay? So, take what's resonate, guys. So, ayan yung messages. Okay? Nung person, para sa ating mga feminine or vice versa. Uulitin ko vice versa. Kanina kasi meron ako talaga nakita feeling rejected. Okay? Feeling niya na-reject niya. Na-reject yung feminine dito. Okay, so maraming salamat guys sa panonood. Comment down below kung nag-resonate sa'yo tong reading na to. Okay? Babalik tong person na to soon. Kasi na-realize niya na sa'yo siya masaya. May nangyari dito na realization. Gustong mag-commit itong person na to sa'yo. Babalikan ka niya. Doon sa mga feminine natin na hinihintay pa rin tong person na to soon. Nakikipag-communicate tong person na to. Okay, may malalaman ka. Siguro pwedeng may ipagtapat siya sa'yo. It could be. Okay? So, maraming salamat, guys. Mamaya-maya, konti, meron ako ulit i-upload. So, abangan nyo lang. Like this video kung nag-resonate sa inyo, kung nakatulong sa inyo. Okay, comment down below kung meron kayong mga request pa na topic. Okay, siguro this week na lang ako mag-upload ng pick a card. Okay. So, wait lang kayo. Okay, so this is si General Love Reading. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Collective reading. Okay, may collective viewers. Okay. Happy weekend sa inyo. Happy Sunday. Bye!